Okay.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Today, in today's lesson, we just revised the previous lesson, page 19, 20, and 21. And on this page, page 23, this is the new thing that we are going to do. Okay. So in this exercise, what we have to do? We have to match the two columns. Like we need to match two words together. Like at-talibu is a student. So can you see some matching word? At-talibu. Can a student be laziz, tasty?
No.
Maksurun, broken, heavy, opened, or sick?
Maridun.
Okay, so at-talibu maridun. Okay, ad-dukanu, the store is either closed or open. So
ad-dukanu maftuhun.
good, excellent. Okay. And then atufahu, apple, the apple.
The apple is maksurun.
Broken or tasty? What about tasty?
Ladizun.
Lazizun. Okay. And al-ma'u either could be baridun, cold, or harun, hot.
Al-ma'u harun.
Harun. Al-hajaru could be heavy or broken. And al-qalamu, the pen, could be heavy or broken. So what do you think?
Al-qalamu maksurun.
Okay, al-qalamu maksurun.
Al-hajaru thaqil.
Al-hajaru saqilun. Good. So let me write over here. So if at-tufahu lazizun, then at-tufahu lazizun, the apple is?
The apple is tasty.
Tasty. What about al-qalamu maksurun? The
pen is broken.
The pen is broken. And then what is this? Al-hajaru saqilun.
The desk is broken.
Hajaru, rock.
Oh, the rock is
Saqilun, heavy.
Oh no, the rock is heavy.
The rock is heavy. Ad-dukanu maftuhun.
Which one?
Ad-dukanu maftuhun.
Oh, the store is open.
Store is open. Good. Maridun. At-talibu maridun.
The student is sick.
Okay. What about al-ma'u harun?
What is al-ma'u?
Al-ma'u is water.
The water is hot.
Good. So you can take a picture and write it down somewhere. Okay? आप इसकी पिक्चर ले लें। चलें फिर अब नेक्स्ट पेज पे चलते हैं। ये समझ में आ गया है? यू अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी वेल? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट। अच्छा, न्यू वर्ड्स हमने क्या पढ़े हैं? न्यू वर्ड्स, आई कांट हियर यू।
Oh, sorry, my mic was muted.
Huluwan is sweet.
Sweet.
Huluwan, sweet. Okay, let me write it here. Huluwan is sweet. Maridun is
Sick.
I think I should. Okay. Tawil is tall. Tawil is tall. Maridun is
Sick.
Fakirun is
Fakirun.
poor.
Poor.
Ad-dukanu,
A store.
the store. The store. And Kasirun, short. Kasirun
short.
and Tawilun are opposites. Tawilun is tall, Kasirun is short. Okay?
Okay.
Ghaniyun is rich.
So, Fakirun and Ghaniyun
Are
are
opposites. Yes. At-tufahu, the apple. Okay, so these are new words that you learned. Let me take a picture again. तो ये न्यू आपकी वोकेबलरी हो रही है, इसमें आपने न्यू क्या सीखा है? स्वीट सीखी है, ठीक है? हुलुअन। और अब हम यहाँ पे I'm gonna end over here because from page 24 we have a different topic, the moon letter and the sun letter. So inshallah we are going to do this in the next class.
I think we did that.
No, I don't think we did.
I remember doing it last time.
Actually, I introduced this to you that we are going to do in the next class, but because today we had a class after quite a break after Ramadan and Eid. So we revised previous lesson first, and then we did only this page as the new page. Okay, because we had to revise everything as the class we are having after like 3-4 weeks. That's why. ये हुआ था because I remember last time we discussed about moon letter and sun letter, but we didn't do it. We discussed that we are going to do it. ठीक है? Inshallah, next time we will start from here, page 24.